Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Watch Collector. My name is Raghav and today we are unboxing and reviewing an exciting watch from the G-Shock lineup, the Casio G-Shock GM-2100N in blue color. So get ready with your snacks and beverages and enjoy the video. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. So here we have the cardboard box first with the G-Shock and Casio branding on it. Let's go ahead and open it. And inside this box I can see a couple of cards or booklets. So that's the warranty card, and Casio provides 2 years of warranty on their watches. And that is the instruction manual for this watch. So let's keep these booklets aside and see what's inside the box. So inside the cardboard box, there's this tin box. Let's go ahead and take it out. As always, G-Shock comes in a sleek, sturdy packaging that immediately gives off that premium vibe. I really like the G-Shock packaging, and on the tin box as well you can see the G-Shock branding and the Casio branding itself. So let's go ahead and take out the watch now. This watch is also known as the Casioak because it resembles the AP royaloak. So there is the watch, guys, and let's take it out now. So there it is, guys, the Casio G-Shock GM-2100N in blue color. I believe this is one of the most beautiful looking Casio G-Shock. Now check this out. Just look at the design. The stainless steel bezel forged with a stunning rounded hairline finish adds a touch of sophistication. This isn't just a rugged watch, it's got style too. The dial is treated with a vapor deposition finish, giving it a meticulously detailed metallic look. It's perfect for those who want the rugged toughness of a G-Shock but with the aesthetic of classic metal timepiece. The size of the watch case is 44 mm in diameter, but in reality the case feels more like a 40 or 42 mm. Before we move ahead, please make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel for more such videos. The thickness of the watch is 11.8 mm, which is incredibly thin for a G-Shock. And the lug-to-lug distance is at 48.5 mm, which is also a key factor in why this watch wears so well. This G-Shock has Casio's 5611 module or movement, which is a quartz movement with an analog and digital display that uses a battery that can last up to 36 months. The watch stocks these rubber straps, which are quite comfortable and goes quite well with the build of this watch. Changing straps on this watch is quite easy as well. The watch has a mineral glass, which sits below the plane of the bezel. Now let's talk about the functionality. This watch is packed with features. You can easily switch between time zones, which is perfect for travelers, and you can also set multiple alarms for your daily schedule. The watch also has a countdown timer with a 24-hour range, ideal for workouts or reminders. The watch also has the stopwatch feature, which is ideal for precision timing. The watch also has auto calendar that always keeps track of the date without needing adjustments. Now let's talk about the comfort. Despite the robust build, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 72 grams. The resin band feels comfortable on the wrist, making it ideal for both everyday wear and more extreme outdoor activities. I believe it's one of the most gorgeous looking G-Shocks available in the market today, and it's great for semi-casual and casual look. One of my favorite features is the double LED light, It illuminates both the face and the digital display, so you're covered no matter where you are. Plus the hands have Neo Bright, which glows in dark for better visibility. Of course, it wouldn't be a G-Shock without the legendary durability. This model is shock resistant and can withstand 200 meters of water pressure, and is built with a patented hollow core guard structure that protects it from impact and vibration. This Casio G-Shock is a perfect blend of toughness and elegance, with all the features you would expect from G-Shock. Whether you need it for outdoor adventures or just want a stylish, reliable timepiece, this one ticks all the boxes. Let me know what you think in the comments box below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more unboxings and reviews. That's all for today's video. This is Raghav signing out from The Watch Collector. Thanks for watching and keep ticking.